Hello, happy crocheters. This is Lindsay from windingroadcrochet.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this heart-shaped pumpkin leaf. This leaf is perfect for all your pumpkin creations this fall. For this project, you're going to need a small amount of medium weight yarn, a size H hook, a yarn needle, and scissors. To get started, we are going to make a slip knot and make a magic circle. I do this a little differently. I will make a chain 2 and then use my yarn end and wrap it around my thumb and then double crochet over the yarn end and in the loop. We're going to work a total of 12 double crochet into this loop, and our starting chain will not count as a stitch. Once you have 12 double crochet worked into the loop, you are simply going to pull the loop tight and slip stitch to the first stitch of the row. To start row 2, we are going to chain 1 and then work a half double crochet, and treble crochet into the first stitch. So to do this, we're going to chain 1. Here is our half double crochet, then a double crochet, and then wrap around twice for a treble crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to work 3 treble crochets. And if you're looking for the written pattern for this leaf, it is part of my stacked jack-o'-lantern pattern. This pattern is exactly the same as my stacked pumpkin centerpiece. It just doesn't have to get cinched, and we add the felt jack-o'-lantern faces to the top. In the next stitch, work 2 treble crochet. Wrap around twice, 1 treble crochet, and then another treble crochet in the same stitch. The next stitch gets a double crochet and a half double crochet. So we will double crochet first, followed by a half double crochet, still working in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we're going to work 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. Now a double crochet and a treble crochet into the same stitch. First the double crochet, wrap around twice for a treble crochet. The following stitch, we're going to do a treble crochet first, followed by a double crochet. We're basically doing everything we did in reverse order now. Starting with the treble crochet, and then a double crochet. In the next stitch, work 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2, followed by a half double crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Half double crochet first, followed by a double crochet all in the same stitch. Then we're working 2 treble crochets in the same stitch. Wrap your yarn around twice, 1 treble crochet, another treble crochet, 3 treble crochet into the next stitch, one, 2, and 3. Now we'll work a treble crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet into the next stitch. First a treble crochet, then a double crochet, then a half double crochet. To complete the row, we are going to chain 1 and slip stitch at the base of the first stitch. Now we can create a stem. We'll do this by chaining 4. And if you're attaching it to a pumpkin, you can leave your stem just as is. You can add more chains or take some away if you feel like you need it. Or if you want a thicker stem, we are going to slip stitch into the second chain from the hook and then the next 2 chains as well. And there is your pumpkin leaf. I'm just going to clip my end, yarn over, and pull the yarn in through the last loop on the hook. And then we are going to weave in our ends. I'm going to use the first end to place the stem exactly where I want it. And then I'm going to weave in our original yarn in, our starting yarn in. You definitely want to make sure you weave that in as well. And here we have our finished pumpkin leaf. It's a nice heart-shaped pumpkin leaf and perfect for all your fall decorations. So I really hope you enjoyed this pattern. If you like my tutorials, make sure to check out my fall decorations playlist. And until next time, happy crocheting.